Hey guys, let's take a look at special products for polynomials. Ready? So if I take a sum and I square it, I'm going to show you the long way first and then the short way. So we know that squaring something means to just multiply it by itself. And we know how to multiply binomials together. We go ahead and we distribute everything out. No problem. Everything from the first polynomial gets distributed to the second polynomial, and then we go ahead and we combine like terms. Now, x squared plus 6x plus 9 is actually just the first term squared, x squared. If I multiply those together and get 3x and double it, I get 6x, and if I square 3 at the end, I get 9. So if I did the same thing here, I would get x squared, x times 5 is 5x, double it, I get 10x, and then 5 squared is just 25. That's the shortcut way. How cool. The same thing for subtracting. So if I take a difference and I square it, the long way would be to write x minus 3 times x minus 3 and distribute everything out. And after I distribute everything out, I go ahead and I combine like terms. And notice that this answer is very similar to the answer from the previous problem. It's just instead of a plus sign, it's a minus sign. So, okay, if I did the same thing here then, I square the first term, I get x squared. X times negative 5 is negative 5x, double it. Doubled is negative 10x, and then negative 5 squared, or 5 squared, is positive 25. And the last one, my favorite one, when you multiply a sum times a difference, if I distribute this out, right, I get x squared minus 3x and then plus 3x minus 9. Those two middle terms are going to simplify out to 0, and you're just left with x squared minus 9. So it really just means we care about x times x and then 3 times negative 3. So if I followed that pattern with this one, I would just do x times x is x squared, and then 5 times negative 5 is negative 25. That's it. Good job.